You got me there.
He worked so hard to get open on the play, did everything right, and then the easy part was making the catch, and he just couldn't come up with it.
Cal doesn't like to. I like to move.
Nice.
This quarterback's a tough guy. Man, you don't
Full.
ever want to see your
What are they gonna do?
quarterback take a shot like that.
Kick?
That kind of a hit can
Pass.
really change the complexion of a game. Reed has the pick.
Whoa! Whoa! Never mind. Man, I was gonna tackle you.
We will rock you. Oh God. We will
That's sad.
rock you.
Fake.
But
No,
I'm
it's just a
born
quack.
in the rain.
Wait, pass? No. Oh.
Was a case, but on the face, you big disgrace. Buddy, you're born to make a big one, playing in the streets, gonna take all the world. Try and get it.
Here's the onside try.
What? Man, I went out of bounds again.
Big disgrace, waving up.
So they failed to recover the onside kick.
Wait, how'd you make this team?
Ask Charlie.
Charlie, how'd you make this team?
Features, great team.
They line up with the shotgun. He's under pressure.
I got the quarterback when he threw it.
Lucky it wasn't intercepted.
I pushed him forward. Does that count?
Yeah. But the ball's out in the air.
And it would say user tackle.
Why'd he dive? He dived at me.
Last play didn't get them the first, and now they're looking at third down.
Okay.
What? What? He said stop.
Call.
Why?
Because
I can't do that.
it's right in my ear.
Wow.
No,
So when
I'm
you're-
just joking.
Middle run.
I was gonna say, when you're at like a party, you'd be like, hey! Shh, calm down.
In there, alright?
Except my ear. Move, go Cody!
Boo, you stink.
No, I'm just joking.
That'd be funny if someone said that.
Hey, I'm good actually.
Alright, ready? Just go in there. Alright?
Okay.
Move.
Snap.
Oh, that was so cool. They both collide.
I should have juked, shouldn't I?
Yeah, no.
I never juke. Oh, middle run again?
No, we're gonna do a pass.
Oh, you want me to pass?
No, it's gonna be.
I actually blocked for you. That's good.
He jumped in there. He jumped into there, everyone. Got some big man.
No, I spread my legs out like this, Tommy. Go,
Dude,
go,
a basketball
go,
a
go.
basketball game doesn't even get to 125. Well, I mean it
Wait,
probably
what is it?
has.
Just a kick?
Yeah.
How do you get so high with it?
I just press X and that's it.
No, like you're all the way at the other field. Yes, I made a touchdown.
Let's see how long this takes.
Touchback.
Oh, that's our touchback. That counts for our point. I think. No, I didn't.
Yes, man cover. Man cover, man.
No, cover two.
Whatever. Oh, I love this play. I could actually tackle him. Oh, what? He blocked me. That's not
the point.
My dad's watching Jackass. Move it. Boom! Boom! Wait, I missed him.
But I got him.
Sure.
Did you already say Mr. Bean?
What do we do?
Bombastic and the
Yeah,
other one?
the game's finished.
Both?
Yep.
Game's done.
I know.
You want to play another one? Or go on midnight play?
Let's play another one.
Oh, yeah. And
Hold
then-
on.
Come on. Okay,
Wait,
come
he wants to see this.
New record.